This is the review for the 3D geometry test covering 3D views, nets, and volume. Number 1 on the review asks, what procedure can be used to find the volume of a rectangular prism? We know the volume for any prism or cylinder uses the same formula. Volume equals big B times H, and big B is area of the base. So if our base is a rectangle, it's the area of the rectangle times the height of the prism. So let's look for the answer choice that sounds like that. Answer choice A says find the area of each face and then add them all together. No, that would be surface area. B says to find the sum of the length, width, and height. No, that's not the right formula. C says to find the area of the base of the prism and then multiply it by the height. That's correct. Problem 2. What is the volume of a shipping box 18 inches wide, 12 inches deep, and 24 inches tall? So a box looks like this. Well, it's a terrible drawing. Let's try this again. Box is a rectangular prism, 18 inches wide, 12 inches deep, and 24 inches tall. So the base, or the formula we need for volume of a rectangular prism would be volume equals big B times H, and then the formula for the area of the base would be base times height. The 18 by, well, let's draw a rectangle actually. This is our rectangular base, 18 inches wide and 12 inches deep. So sometimes that's referred to as width and depth, or length and width. We usually refer to it as base and height of the rectangular base. So base times height would be 18 times 12. 18 times 12 over here. 8 times 2 is 16, carry the 1. 1 times 2 is 2, plus 1 is 3. When we're multiplying by this 1, we're really multiplying by 10, so start with a 0. 8 times 1 is 8. 1 times 1 is 1. Add those up, we get 216 inches squared for the area of the base. And then when we find our volume, it will be the area of the base, big B, times the height of the prism, which is 24 inches. So 216 times 24. 6 times 4 is 24, carry the 2. 1 times 4 is 4, plus 2 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. When I'm multiplying by this 2, I'm really multiplying by 20, so start with the 0. 6 times 2 is 12, carry the 1. 1 times 2 is 2, plus 1 is 3. And 2 times 2 is 4. So the area of our box, area of our rectangular prism, is 5,184 inches cubed, which is answer choice D. Okay, I'm going to pick up the review with problem 3 on the next video.